I grew up in the mean streets of Baltimore. If you grew up in Baltimore, you've seen the effects of being disenfranchised, like what that looks like, the ripple effect on generations to come. A lot of times I find leaders are very disconnected from the communities that they say they serve. It's so crucial for people in privileged positions who are not affected by systemic racism, systemic housing disparities and inequities to speak for and fight for people who are in those positions, to give a voice to the voiceless. The root of activism is to be able to empathize with someone else, put yourself in their shoes and be able to fight for their cause because you see that their cause is your cause. Magnify your empathy, because as soon as you do that, you don't have to ask what you should do. You're gonna see it, you're gonna feel it, and you're gonna be convicted to move, So I would just say, never underestimate the power of the one. My name is Maimuna Youssef, also known as Mumu Fresh, and I am ready to make change.